So three of us have been meeting. So Vijay, Shri, and Shilpi have been meeting. We've completed 22 days of meeting in the morning. Gia, Jayashri joined us in between. We have decided today we are not calling each other with collapsing. I'm not collapsing Vijayashri's name to Vijay because Vijayashri, Gia, Shilpi, just giving each other that aura and those connects in the morning. Even if sometimes we are in the kitchen, koi tinde kaat raha hai, koi dal bana raha hai, koi kuch kar raha hai, we have gone through that period and just stayed together, and we have very, very powerful mornings, and this is what I wanted to share. 7:30 or chalo 7:40 to 8:30, very, very powerful mornings, come what may. That commitment to self growth and learning, and three together is so powerful. So Gia and me have been accountability partners from Urbi's group. Vijayashri and me have been committed to doing the work together and signing up for courses. And we are so happy and blessed that we get an opportunity to meet every morning. Thank you, God. Thank you, Divine. We are actually doing the Divine's work, and it's so beautiful. Now, Vijayashri, the mic comes to you.
Yeah, thank you. And I was like, while you were saying, the only line which was coming to me to summarize, it's a pool of creative energies from Shilpi, or maybe the intuitive or the guided energies from Vijayashri, and the reflective and the analytical energies or the packaging energies of Jia, who she always sums up something we are like scattered with so much flowing, she'll sum up in a beautiful way. So I think we've been complementing each other to create this beautiful place. Thank you so
Great.
much, Divine, for this space.
Thank you. And I also thank you, Vijayashri, what you shared. And I want to share that Gia's, while Vijayashri and me can be very fiery and very, Gia really has this very calming energy, and she's such a beautiful person. Her daughter has gone to, she's en route to
Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro. She's done Everest Base Camp 2 years ago. And look at her as an amazing mother. And what I just want to just quickly add to this also, Gia, that all three of us in our own ways are phenomenal. And we know we are phenomenal. We have phenomenal families and all, and yet we want to come out there and spread this phenomenal energy. Yeah, Gia, mic to you.
Yes. Oh, I think we three of us are mothers beyond our, selfishness or, those unhealthy attachments.
Yes.
So we are growing up to be there, and I think there's a lot of scope, still. And we invite more women's, more, I think, more individuals as parents also
Yes.
on
Yes.
this platform because it's really healing, and we can experience parenting at a different level when we
Different
are
level.
detached.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You
I
know, and
also feel, when we read stuff, we are learning stuff, but when we come together, there are days that, I just want to bawl. Like, I
I have
just
done
want to
that.
talk and I just want my girls to listen to me.
Yes.
Or likewise Gia, or likewise Vijayashri. And that feeling to be heard and to be
Yeah.
put together. When we leave from the Zoom and we go there, there's a sense of like, I got this today. And we have a group and we communicate,
It's like
we share, we learn.
waiting. It's like waiting to meet. And I feel so comfortable. It's like family. It's like home. It's like inner calling, that three of us, my God, I can talk anything. I can share. I can get the guidance.
Yes,
I
yes,
can just be myself without any mask. And
yes,
this is
yes.
what it is. I love, love, love
I
this
love
time.
this, and I also want to share. While I used to keep watching Gia in the kitchen through our earlier courses in different communities, I used to feel like, "Kitna kaam karti hai subah se." And then for day mahina, my guy went off. I was doing the same thing. I said, "Gia, looking at you, I'm doing it now, and I'm so happy." And Vijayashri with
There's one
her
beautiful
college
thing
and
which happens all the way. It's like three of us have pulled in such beautiful energies that किसी को कुछ सुनना है तो कोई और वो बोल ही देता है. Like today morning, I got that beautiful message. The moment I dropped in the group, Shilpi says, I needed to hear this. This has happened so frequently. And
yeah,
But
yeah.
you
some
are like that, Vijay. You like हम
Vijayashri.
सबके अंदर की baatein, na, you are the person who comes out with everything.
Yeah, she knows the pulse of her heart. She knows it. She's a heart specialist.
And when
Yeah.
Shilpi said that me and Vijayashree sort of we have the Durga in us.
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah, we're fiery, very
yeah,
fiery.
and I was born on Durgashtami, so I have a lot of elements of Durga in me, and I think it's there. Calm, sweet, and suddenly I'll come up. No, so Shilpi has that. Okay, so
And
Jia is
Vijayashree,
more of a shant, Sheetala Mata types.
yeah.
You should just ask my husband.
Yeah, that's
I
okay.
would
All of us in our own homes, but Vijayashree also lives in Calcutta, and that's my Bade Papa's home, Calcutta. So I always have this
Durga.
very maternal
Kolkata
feeling with
is
Vijayashree and Jia.
association with Kolkata is Durga.
Durga. Okay. And Jia lives in Bangalore. So Bangalore trip is due in October. So I know I'm going to come and stay with now I've also seen Jia's
I go
house.
to Bangalore more often for my daughter, so again
Yeah.
Bangalore Connect.
Yeah. And
We
मुझे
are
अभी
meeting in
जिया का
Bangalore.
नुक एंड कॉर्नर घर का पता है कबर्ड्स भी पता है मुझे कहाँ सोना है मुझे ट्री ऑफ लाइफ पता है आई थिंक छोटे लोग so I just feel that have your little group where you know that you have the freedom to grow express that safety so yeah
Lots of love,
This
girls.
is
I'm sure
beautiful.
Vijay
Have
wants to
an
go.
amazing day.
yeah thank you girls okay
To
ciao I love you all
Vijay
Vijay
and
Jia Shilpi yay